let's use our understanding of multiplying whole numbers times fractions to escape from Everest. All hikers must get off the mountain before nightfall, for when darkness arrives, the snow monster awakes. He might seem friendly now, but you don't want to see him mad. The only way off the mountain is by carefully taking step by step until you get to the bottom. Will you make it? Well, it's up to the luck of the numbers and a whole lot of problem solving. Let's explore how to play Escape from Everest. Escape from Everest can be played by just one player or in a group with 2 or 3 players. Each group will need the Escape from Everest game board and 2 tokens or small classroom objects to use as game pieces. If you don't have any, you can just use scraps of paper. Each group will also need one device to access the number generator available on the website. Each player will need their own recording sheet and a pencil. Escape from Everest is a cooperative game, meaning if there's more than one player, all players will work together to escape the mountain. When your team is ready to begin playing, find an area where you can all sit together. Place the game board on the table. You will need a device open to the page with the number generator. Each player will also need their own recording sheet and a pencil. Your team's objective in Escape from Everest is to get down the mountain before it's nighttime and the snow monster awakes. Let's get ready to play. Place one of your tokens at the starting spot on the game board and place one of your tokens in the box that says, "It's sunny" on the daylight tracker. So, how do you take those steps down the mountain? Let's start with the recording sheet. On the first turn, players will use that section marked Round 1. Do you notice how it says Target 5? That is your goal for the equation you create from the number generator. So, for turn 1, let's press that button and generate 5 numbers. The numbers are 2, 6, 4, 5, 9. Each player should write those numbers down on the recording sheet in the squares at the top of the section. And now, for the challenge and the right to take steps down the mountain. Players will choose 4 of those 5 numbers and try to arrange them in an equation such that the solution to the equation is as close to the target number of 5 as possible. Players should take their time trying different combinations of numbers until they get as close to 5 as they can. The only rule here is that the numerator of the fraction must be less than or equal to the denominator. In order to start moving that green chip down the mountain, the players must find an equation that is at least 1 or less away from the target number, in this case 5. All of these equations are less than 1 away from the target number. So which equation should this group choose? Well, if the equation is 1 away from the target number, the hikers can move 1 step. If the equation is 1/2 or less away from the target number, the hikers can move 2 steps. And if the equation is exactly on the target number, the hikers can move down 3 steps. All of these equations are less than 1 away from 5. But are any less than 1/2? Take a look. This equation is 4/6 away from 5, while this one is 7/9 away, and this equation is 2/6 away from 5. That is less than 1/2. This group can move their green chip down 2 spots. They are on their way to escaping the snow monster. If the group isn't able to determine a combination that is within one of the target number, or if it's not possible, like on this team's fourth turn, then it's time to move the daylight tracker. Slide that token up to the next box that says, "The sun is setting." Uh-oh. Continue playing this way, moving in order through the recording sheet. If you reach the end of the recording sheet, just start back at round 1. Work your way, step by step, down the mountain, trying to reach the safety zone before nightfall. If the token on the daylight tracker reaches that top box that says, "Nighttime is here," that means the snow monster has caught you. But if you can get that green chip to the safety zone before nighttime, all hikers survive. Time to celebrate. And hey, even if you don't make it down the mountain, it's just a game. Don't get upset. Keep on trying, and you'll get 'em next time. And now you're ready to play Escape from Everest.